Hello class! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, our topic is all about the inverse of one-to-one functions. Okay, so first, define muna natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng isang inverse function. So the inverse function or the inverse of a function is a function with domain B and range A given that the original function has domain A and range B. So, ano napansin nyo dito guys? Yung domain A natin, doon sa ating original function, is yun yung range ng ating inverse function. Okay? Then, yung range naman, dito sa ating original function, siya naman yung domain ng ating inverse function. So, ibig sabihin, nagkapalit. Okay? Yung domain naging range, then, yung range naman ng ating original function naging domain ng inverse function. Okay? So, this inverse function of a function f is denoted by f raised to negative 1. Okay? So, para siyang may exponent na negative 1. So, yan yung symbol guys ng ating inverse function. Okay? So, it is defined by the equation the inverse of y is equals to x. If and only if yung ating f of x is equals to y. Okay, so for any y in range b, so since both are function, then a function has to be one-to-one for its inverse to be a function at the same time. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang meron lang inverse function is yung mga function na one-to-one. Okay? Then sabi dito, if it is a many-to-one function, its inverse is one-to-many. So, which is not a function. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi one-to-one, ibig sabihin, wala tayong inverse function. Tama? So, paano ba natin mahanap si inverse function? So, to find the inverse of a one-to-one function, consider the following. So, letter A, express the function in the form of y equals f of x. So, papalitan natin guys yung ating f of x to y. Then, letter B, ang second step natin is interchange the x and y variables in the equation. Okay? Si x magiging y, then yung ating y magiging x. Okay? Then, ang last step natin is solve for y in terms of x. Nakuha? So, try natin. So, let's have example number 1. So, given the function 3x minus 8, the inverse of a function may be solved intuitively. So, try natin. Okay, again, ang first move natin is palitan natin si f of x ng y. So, we have y equals 3x minus 8. Okay? So, next, interchange natin, guys. Si y magiging x, then si x magiging y. So, try natin. So, meron tayo ngayong x equals 3y minus 8. Tama? Then, after natin ma-interchange si x and y, isolve natin si y in terms of x. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ma-isolate natin si y. So, try natin. So, first, pwede nating tanggalin si negative 8 dito. So, we have x plus 8 equals 3y. Tama? Then, divide both sides of the equation by 3 para ma-isolate natin si y. So, maka-cancel out yan. So, dito guys, meron na tayong y which is equals to x plus 8 over 3. Tama? So, after natin ma-solve si y, guys, ito na ngayon yung kanyang inverse function. Okay? So, pwede na natin palitan si y. Ibalik natin kay f of x. But this time, meron na tayong negative 1. Tama? Ibig sabihin, ito na guys yung ating inverse function. Okay? So, this is our final answer. Naintindihan, guys? So, let's have another example. Number 2. If it exists solve for the inverse of g of x equals x squared minus 6x minus 7. So, dito guys, you will notice na yung ating function is quadratic. Tama? Meron tayong quadratic equation or quadratic function wherein yung kanyang graph is a parabola opening upward. Tama? So, alam naman natin, sa Cartesian plane, ang parabola na may opening upward, ganito yung itsura. Tama? Then, pag in-apply natin guys yung ating horizontal line test, so, dalawang beses tatamaan ni horizontal line yung ating given function. So, this means na yung ating given function is not 1-to-1. Tama? So, ano ngayon yung sagot natin dito kung hindi siya 1-to-1 function? Okay? So, pwede nating ilagay dito na yung ating function has no inverse function. Okay? So, ito na yung ating final answer. So, wala siyang inverse function, guys. Since yung ating given g of x o yung function natin is not 1-to-1. Okay? So, let's proceed to example number 3. Find the inverse of the rational function h of x equals 4x plus 8 over x minus 3. Okay, so try natin guys. So, dito, ang first move natin is palitan natin si h of x ng y. So, meron tayong equation na y equals 4x plus 8 all over x minus 3. Okay, so ito yung ating first step. Then, ang second step natin, interchange x and y. So, yung ating y dito magiging x, then yung dalawang x natin magiging y. So, that is x equals 4y plus 8 all over y minus 3. Tama? Then, after natin magawa yan, guys, isa-solve natin si y in terms of x. Okay, so try natin. So, dito, ang pwede nating first move is tanggalin muna natin yung fraction. So, para matanggal natin yung fraction, multiply natin both sides of the equation by y minus 3. Tama? So, maka-cancel natin to. So, meron tayong x times y minus 3 equals 4y plus 8. Tama, guys? So, distribute natin to, guys. Okay, so meron tayo ngayong xy minus x times negative 3, that is negative 3x equals 4y plus 8. Okay, so lahat ng y, lahat ng may y, lipat natin sa left side. So, transpose natin to guys. Then yung negative 3x, pwede natin ilipat sa kanan. So, that is xy, 4y, from the right side, magiging negative 4y, equals 8. Then yung negative 3x, pag nilipat, that is positive 3x. Tama? So, dito guys, sa may left side natin, meron tayong common monomial, yung ating y. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pwede natin yan i-factor out. So, pag finactor out natin si y, mawawala yung y natin dito. So, ang may iwan sa loob ng ating factor is x minus 4. Tama? Which is equals to 8 plus 3x. So, this time, pwede na natin i-divide both sides of the equation by x minus 4. Para ma-isolate na natin guys yung ating y. So, cancel na natin to. So, meron na tayong y equals 8 plus 3x all over x minus 4. So, since na-solve na natin si y guys, ito na ngayon yung ating inverse function. Okay, so pwede na nating palitan si y ng the inverse function ng ating original function, yung h of x. So, ang kanyang inverse function ay 8 plus 3x over x minus 4. Okay? So, ito na ngayon yung ating final answer. Naintindihan ba, guys? So, this is the end of our video. I hope naintindihan nyo, guys, kung paano ba natin kinukuha yung inverse function ng ating one-to-one function. So, if you have questions or clarifications, kindly put them in the comment section below. So, thank you, guys, for watching. This is Prof D. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!